TXGA Mini I/O connector features an upgraded push-pull locking mechanism with an extended slide track and a wider contact area for easier unlocking. Its compact design saves 75% installation space compared to traditional RJ45 connectors, enabling efficient layout in limited spaces. The Mini I/O connector is available in D-shaped and U-shaped interface types, supporting 90° and 180° mounting orientations. It allows side-by-side mounting with a pitch of 11 毫米 on the PCB, making it ideal for multiple I/O connection scenarios and contributing to device miniaturization and integration. When mounted, the connector features 4 solder tabs and through-hole soldering points on the PCB contact surface to ensure secure attachment. After mating, the internal dual-contact spring structure, combined with an external metal latch, withstands up to 98 N of tensile force. In real-world applications, this design effectively resists shock, vibration, and accidental cable pulling, ensuring stable data transmission. The connector is designed with shielded cables and features 360 degrees shielding to prevent external electromagnetic interference. Excellent EMC immunity ensures reliable high-speed data transmission. The product supports data rates from 10 megabits per second to 1 gigabit per second with a transmission distance of up to 100 meters. It is also compatible with PO and PO-JA, meeting the needs of integrated high-speed communication and device power supply. The Mini I/O connector offers Type and U-type straight plugs that are compatible with RJ45. It supports the Cat8 standard, and the plug is designed for easy installation without crimping or special tools. It is also compatible with RJ45 modular jacks, allowing industrial equipment to connect to standard Ethernet networks while retaining existing RJ45 interfaces, thereby improving overall device efficiency. TXGA Mini I/O connectors are primarily used in industrial 3D printers, industrial IoT, collaborative robots, new energy, and other demanding environments, providing efficient and reliable interconnect solutions. Enter TXGA official website. You can quickly obtain product technical information, inventory and shipping cycles, product prices, and other information. Order online on TXGA official website. Enjoy a convenient and efficient service experience.